Good morning, my dear students. Om asato ma satgamaya tamaso ma jyotirgamaya mrityorma amrutam gamaya. Om shanti shanti shanti. वक्रतुंडा महाकाया सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देवो सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा. गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरा गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः. Om Shanti. Good morning, my dear students. Today I am going to take class for UKG, that is new literacy skills. In that literacy skills I have covered up to page number 99, that is the concept of read the words that go with the picture and color it. And today the same activity continues. Read the questions and answers and color the pictures. Okay, so here the question is, what color is the leaf? What color is the leaf? You know, WHAT what? COLOUR color is THE LEAF leaf. This is a question mark. The question mark or the sentence first letter begin with capital letter and question mark ends with question ends with question mark and sentence ends with a full point. What color is the leaf? What color is the leaf? Okay, it is green. The question is, what color is the leaf? Question mark. It is green. It is green. So you need to color this green color here. The leaf, almost all leaves are green in color. Green in color. Okay, green in color. So we need to fill the green color to this leaf. Green color to this leaf. Okay, you need to fill it properly. Almost all plant leaves are green in color. Did you see the coriander leaf, menti leaf, spinach leaf? The almost all leaves color are in green. Rose plant leaf, or any leaf which you see in and around your house, the most of the green plants leaves are green in color. Green in color. So you have to fill the green color to the leaf. This is the leaf. This is the leaf. Okay. The color of the leaf is green. The color of the leaf is green. Okay. Next, leaf. LEAF leaf. COLOUR color. Right? Color. COLOUR color. Leaf. LEAF leaf. Okay. What color is the umbrella? What color is the umbrella? The umbrella's color here they are mentioned as black. Okay, black. Or you are going to get any colors of the umbrella. Right? Here we need to give the black color. Here we need to fill the black color. What? WHAT will become what? COLOUR color is the umbrella. UMBREALLA. UMBREALLA. Umbrella. UMBREALLA. Umbrella. UMBREALLA. Umbrella. See these new words minimum 10 times. Okay, spellings like this: UMBRELLA, umbrella. UMBRELLA, umbrella, like this. Let's say 10 times so that you get familiar with the spellings of the umbrella. Okay, it is black. What is the color of, what color is the umbrella? What color is the umbrella? It is black. IT it. IS is BLACK, black. BLACK, black. BLACK, black. Okay, you need to fill this umbrella. This is called umbrella. You have to color this. You have to color this in a black. Okay, you have to color this in with a black color. This is a crayon. You have to fill the colors with the help of crayons. Okay, this is black color, so you have to color it very fine. Take your own time. Take your own time and fill the color. Take your own time and fill the color into the umbrella. When the umbrella will be useful? When the umbrella is useful? When it rains, when so much of hot is outside, then we carry this umbrella. Then we carry this umbrella. Okay, this is an umbrella, so it is in black color. When we carry this, when it rains, when so much of hot is outside. Okay, so this is an umbrella which is in black color. Okay, what is the spelling of umbrella? UMBRELLA, umbrella. Okay, black, BLACK, black. Okay, and next is, what color are the ribbons? What color are the ribbons? Okay, they are red color. They are red color. What color are these? Are these umbrellas? Because here two ribbons are there. Ribbons. 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 Okay. So every question ends with question mark. And beginning letter should be capital. Okay. Sentence beginning letter should be capital and sentence ends with the full point. Always you have to follow the standards of the language, writing standards of the language. And every question ends with question mark. This is called question mark because here it is a question, right? What color are these ribbons? Ribbon spelling is RIBBON. 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 Okay. They are red color. They are red color. You need to fill the ribbons with red color. Okay. So this is the red. You have to fill this ribbon in red color. So you have to give the fine color into the ribbons. Okay. We used to use these ribbons for tying our hairs or tying the gifts, or when there is an opening ceremony of anything, just we cut the ribbon and enter into the premises. Right? This is the ribbon. Okay. This is in red color. Red color ribbons. And fill the color properly. fill the color properly. Okay, here it is the red color. Here it is, ribbon is in red color. Okay, you have to give the ribbon a fine color with your crayon. This is in red. What is the spelling of this ribbon? This is called ribbons. What is the color of this ribbon? Ribbon. What is the spelling of this ribbon? R-I-B-B-O-N. Ribbon. R-I-B-B-O-N. Ribbon. Okay, this is how we need to fill the colors to the given pictures. Next it continues. Here, what color is the shirt? What color is the shirt? What color is the shirt? It is blue. What is the spelling of shirt? S-H-I-R-T, shirt. S-H-I-R-T, shirt. S-H-I-R-T, shirt. B-L-U-E, blue. B-L-U-E, blue. Blue. B-L-U-E, blue. Shirt. S-H-I-R-T, shirt. So here we need to fill the shirt color with the blue. Right? So blue color shirt. This is a shirt. Blue color shirt. This is blue color shirt. You have to color this shirt with the blue colors. This is called blue color shirt. This is blue color shirt. Okay, this is blue color shirt. Right. Okay. The shirt is in blue color. Color the shirt with blue, with the blue, right? What color is the shirt? What is the spelling of shirt? S-H-I-R-T. S-H-I-R-T, shirt. It is blue. Answer is blue. It is blue. B-L-U-E, blue. Color, fill the color properly. Blue color shirt. Okay. Next is, what color is the sunflower? What color is the sunflower? Sunflower is in yellow color. What color is the sunflower? S-U-N, sun, F-L-O-W-E-R, sunflower. As I told you, for new words you have to spell S-U-N-F-L-O-W-E-R, flower, sunflower. So you have to spell like 10 times, minimum 10 times. S-U-N-F-L-O-W-E-R, sunflower. S-N-O-F-L-O-W-E-R, sunflower. S-U-N-F-L-O-W-E-R, sunflower. S-U-N-F-L-O-W-E-R, sunflower. It is yellow. Answer is yellow. Right? So it is yellow. The spelling of the yellow is Y-E-L-L-O-W. Y-E-L-L-O-W. Yellow. Y-E-L-L-O-W. Y-E-L-L-O-W. What color is the sunflower? It is yellow. It is yellow. Right? It is yellow. Right? So you have to color this. You have to color this flower. This is sunflower. What are the products we get from sunflower? sunflower oil, sunflower refined oil, right? That is the product we get from the sunflower, right? The sunflower is in yellow color. Sunflower is in yellow color. Okay, sunflower spelling is sun, sun, flower, flower is flower, sun is sun, sunflower. This is called sunflower. Okay, the product we get from the oil we get from this flower, that is sunflower oil. It's called sunflower oil. Okay, so this is sunflower is in yellow color. Is in yellow color, right? Next is yellow spelling is YELLOW. 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 Okay. Alright. So next is, what color are these eggs? What color are these eggs? Spelling of the eggs are, X is EGGS, eggs. EGG, egg, EGGS, eggs. So many eggs, then we need to say eggs. Brown, they are brown in color. They are brown, BROWN, brown. But we used to see the eggs in like creamy white, right? But sometimes the most eggs will be in the brown color also. Brown color also, right? So this color we need to fill. These eggs we need to fill with brown color. Eggs. So which are the animals which give us eggs? Which give us eggs? Tell me. Hen, right? Hen gives us hen, right? Hen. And ducks gives eggs to us. The eggs of the hen and ducks we probably eat. Okay, with this help of eggs, new baby can born. These eggs are going to produce a new baby, or else we can eat these eggs. Okay, so these eggs are hatched around 14 to 15 days. Then the new baby born from the egg. We are going to eat these eggs. So these eggs gives us protein. These eggs gives us protein and very nutritional food. Okay, very nutritional food. What color are these eggs? What color are these eggs? They are brown. So these eggs are brown in color. Okay, brown in color. So here, leaf, umbrella, ribbon, shirt, sunflower and eggs. Try to spell it out minimum 10 times each. Then you should get familiar with the colors. Green color, black color, red color, blue color, yellow color and brown color. Even these colors also you have to write and practice. You have to write minimum 10 times and practice. Even the names of these pictures. Leaf, umbrella, ribbon, shirt, sunflower and eggs. We have to write and memorize these spellings. Okay, right? And even the names of the colors: green, black, red, blue, yellow and brown. Okay, you have to write and practice these spellings. Okay, so shall I move to next? Right. So here we have some more activity to identify the colors. Right? A dash color frock. This is which color it is? Blue, green. Which color it is? The frock color is blue or green? Of course it is blue. A frock is blue color. A blue color frock. A blue color frock. Frock. F-R-O-C-K. Frock. Okay. Blue color frock. A blue color frock. This is blue color. Just we need to circle it. Okay. Next is a feather. A feather. This is called feather. Okay. A light feather or heavy feather. The feather means from the peacock we get a feather. Right? From the birds also we get some feathers. That feathers will be light in weight, not heavy. Light in weight, they are not heavy. Right? Right? So these are light feathers. A light feather. A light feather, not heavy. Okay? Right. Next is an apple. A red apple. A red apple. A green apple. Which color apple it is? It is in red color. It is in red color. A red apple. Apple. Feather. Frog. F-R-O-C-K. Frog. F-R-O-C-K. Frog. F-E-T-H-E-R. Feather. F-E-A-T-H-E-R. Feather. F-E-A-T-H-E-R. Feather. A-P-P-L. Apple. A-P-P-L. Apple. Right? And here a big ball or small ball it is? It is big in size, not small. It is big ball. It is big ball. It is big ball. It is big ball. Right? The ball is big. A big ball you need to say. A red apple. A light feather. A blue frock. A blue frock. Okay? So like this you have to identify the light, heavy, big, small, the colors, etc. And here a national flag. Our national flag consists of 3 colors. Which are those? Saffron, white and green. Saffron, white and green. The colors of our flags, the tricolor flag. Our flag is tricolor. Tri means 3. Triangle, 3 angles. Here tri means, tricolor means 3 colors. 3 colors. Okay? Tricolor. Tricolor flag. Our national flag has 3 colors: saffron, white and green. Draw and color the flag. Our national flag has 3 colors: saffron, white and green. Draw and color the flag. We need to draw the flag and color it. Okay? Shall I do that activity? Alright. So here in the blank space we need to draw the flag. Okay? We need to draw the flag. Right? The flag color is 3 colors. The tricolor flag. This is tricolor flag. Okay. Tricolor flag. The first color is saffron. Second is white. Third is green. So here in the middle, on the white band, you have a circle. You have a wheel. Right? This wheel consists of 24 spokes. Okay, this is called Ashoka Chakra. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now another we need to draw 10, right? So these are 6, 8, right? 8, 10, 12. Okay, 12. Next 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So this is 24 spokes. Okay, this is called Ashoka Chakra on the band, white band, on the white band. So we need to color saffron white and green. Saffron white and green. Okay, saffron white and green. The first band is saffron band. The first band is saffron band. The first band is saffron band. The first one is saffron band. You have to color this band with saffron. The national flag, our national, which is our nation, India. Indian flag is saffron, white and green. Saffron, white and green. Okay. The color of the paper is in white. No need to fill the white color. No need to fill the white color. And here, this is called Ashoka Chakra. That is in blue color. That is in blue color. If you want, you can give the blue color. Okay. Then no need. Which is in blue color. Which is in blue color. Light. You fill the blue color. Right. Then the third band. This is white, saffron white and green. This is green color. Saffron white and green. This is tricolor flag. Our nation's flag, national flag, it is called as, which is our nation? Name of our nation is India, Bharat, right? So this Indian tricolor flag is saffron, white and green. Saffron, white and green. And in continue, we can draw a pole if you want. This is called the pole, flag pole, and here you need to draw the the space, right? So you have to color this also with the brown color. Okay. Right. Color it properly. Clear. So this is our national flag. National flag. Tricolor national flag. Okay. This is tricolor national flag. Right. Okay. The saffron color. This is saffron color. This is white color, and this is green color. What is the spelling of saffron? S-A-F-F. S-A-F-F-O-R-N, saffron. S-A-F-F-O-F-A-F-F-R-O-N, saffron. S-A-F-F-R-O-N, saffron. Okay. So write the names of colors and practice, and even the picture's name, like frog, feeder, apple, ball. Right. Simultaneously you have to read and get familiar with the spellings. This is our national flag, which is in 3 colors. That's called tricolor. 3 colors. Which are those? Saffron, white and a green. Saffron, white and a green. Right? So next move on to the next activity, that is say yes or no. Just simple one word question it is. It's called, this type of questions are called one word answers. One word answers. Say yes or no. Say yes or no. Write yes or no against each sentence. Against each sentence. A dog has a tail. Question is, a dog has a tail. A dog has a tail. This is called tail. Yes, the dog is having a tail. Yes, it is yes. So just answer is yes. Y E yes. Answer is yes. Answer is yes. A dog has a tail. A dog has a tail. A dog has a tail. Yes, dog is having a tail. Right? Next, a tiger has a trunk. A tiger has a trunk. Trunk means this elephant trunk. This is called trunk. Okay? ಸೊಂಡಿಲು ಅಂತಿರಲ್ಲ, ಟೈಗರ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಸೊಂಡಿ ಇರುತ್ತಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ. So tiger, a tiger has a trunk. You need to say yes or no. Yes or no. No, tiger is not having any trunk. Tiger is not having trunk. No. Just write N-O. No. Tiger has a trunk. No, tiger is not having a trunk. A fish has a tail. Fish has a tail. No, these are called fins, not the tail. A fish has a tail. No. Right? A camel has a hump. Hump, yes, this is called hump. This is called hump. Okay? A camel has a hump. Yes. A camel has a hump. Yes. Okay? A snake has legs. Snakes has legs. No. Snakes is not having legs. They move with the body, with the help of body. They are called, it is called slither. Slither. Okay? The snake has legs. No. Just we need to say no. Snakes are not having legs. Right? So here, a dog has a tail. Yes, a dog is having a tail. A tiger has a trunk. No, tiger is not having a trunk. A fish has a tail. No. A camel has a hump. Hump means this part is called hump. Right? And a snake has legs. No, snakes are not having legs. Say one word answer. Say one word answer. Alright? A crow has wings. A crow has wings. Yes, a crow is having wings. With the help of wings, the crow flies. With the help of wings, the crow flies. A crow has wings. Yes. Yes, crow is having a wing. Having wings, right? A crow has wings. Right? An elephant has a trunk. This is called a trunk. This is called a trunk. An elephant has a trunk. Yes, elephant is having a trunk. Right? Say yes. A lion has 2 legs. A lion has 2 legs. No, lion is having 4 legs. They are not called as a Hands, they are also called as 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 legs. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 legs. A lion has 2 legs. No. It has 4. It has 4 legs. Right? Clear? A tortoise. A tortoise. A tortoise. This is called tortoise. Tortoise. A tortoise has wings. No, it's not having wings. It's having only legs. No, it's not having wings. Right? A tortoise has wings. A tortoise has wings. No, tortoise is not having wings. Right? A cat. A cat has a tail. Of course it is having a tail. This is called a tail. Okay? This is called the tail. This is called as a tail. So yes, a cat is having a tail. A cat has a tail. Yes, the cat has a tail. Okay? The cat has a tail. So here these activities are: a dog has a tail. Yes, a dog is having a tail. The dog has a tail. A tiger has a trunk. No, tiger doesn't have a trunk. A fish has a tail. No. A camel has a hump. Yes. A snake has a legs. No. A crow has a wings. Has a wings? Yes. An elephant has a trunk? Yes. A lion has 2 legs. No, it's having 4 legs. No. A tortoise has wings? No, tortoise is not having wings. A cat has a tail? Yes, cat is having a tail. So this is called one word answer. Say yes or no, that's it. Yes or no. So you have to understand what the particular animal is having: a tail, wings, legs, trunk, hump, etc. With that help of your knowledge, you need to say yes or no. That's it. Yes or no. Right? So here different activity that always comes together. Always together. Always together. Okay? Always together. Some things go together. Copy the words. Copy the words. So here what we have to do is the things go together. Copy the words. Like spoon and fork. Spoons and forks. Spoons and forks, they come together. While having your meals, you might be using both all at a time, like fork and the spoons. They come together. Some things come together, right? So just we have to read the words spoon and forks. They are some things go together. These words are together. These things are together. Spoons, just you have to copy. Spoons and forks. 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 Spoons. Spoons. Spoons and forks. Spoons and forks. Bread and butter. Bread and butter. Bread and butter. These two comes together. Bread and butter. Bread. B-R-E-A-D. Bread and butter. B-U-T-T-E-R. B-R-E-A-D. Bread and butter. Bread and butter. B-U-T-T-E-R. B-U-T-T-E-R. Butter. Cup and saucer. These two things come together. Cup and saucer. C-U-P. Cup. This is called saucer. Right? Cup and saucer. Cup and saucer. S-A-U-C-E-R. Cup and saucer. Cup and saucer. Right? Cup and saucer. Plates and dishes. Plates. Plates, plates and saucer. These two things come together. Sorry, plates and dishes. Plates and dishes. Plates and dishes comes together. Bat and ball comes together. These two things come together. Bat, B-A-T, bat. You have to copy the above words here. Bat and ball. Bat and ball. B-A-T, bat and B-A-L-L, ball. Right? Bat and ball. Clear? So always together. One more activity. Right? Always together. This table and a chair. This is table and a chair. These two things come together. Table, T-A-B-L-E, table, and chair, C-H-A-I-R, chair. Table and chair. Okay? Shoes and socks. Shoes and socks. These are shoes and these are socks. S-H-O-E-S and A-N-D and socks. Shoes and socks. Shoes and socks. Shoes and socks. Right? Shoes and socks. These two things come together. Lock and key. This is called lock and this is called key. L-O-C-K, lock. L-O-C-K, lock and key, K-E-Y. Lock and key. Lock and key. Right? Boy and girl. Boy and girl. B-O-Y, boy and girl. B-O-Y, boy, A-N-D and girl, G-I-R-L, girl, boy and girl, right? Boy and girl. Clear? Pencil and paper. Pencil and paper. P-E-N-C-I-L, pencil, and paper. Pencil and paper. These things come together. These things come together. This is spoons and forks comes together. Just what you have to do is copy the words which is written above. Bread and butter. Bread and butter. Cup and saucer. Cup and saucer. S-A-U-C-E-R, saucer. C-U-P, cup and saucer. S-A-U-C-E-R, saucer. Plates, P-L-A-T-E-S, plates and dishes. D-I-S-H-E-S, dishes. Bat and ball. B-A-T, bat and ball. B-A-L-L, ball. Chair, table and chair. T-A-B-L-E, tables and C-H-A-I-R, chair. Table and chair. Shoes and socks. Shoes and socks. S-H-O-E-S, shoes and socks. Lock and key. L-O-C-K, lock and key. Boy and girl. And pencil and paper. Pencil and paper. So this activity make you to focus on observation, identification, association, comparison, vocabulary building and listening and speaking. This activity gives you the skills regarding observation, identification, association, comparison, vocabulary building and listening and speaking. Listening and speaking. Alright? Followed. So next activity is always together. Always together. Always together. Join the things that go together. This activity is matching. and vocabulary building. Join the things that go together. That go together. Which goes together? Pencil and eraser. Pencil and eraser. Eraser is here. Here it is eraser. It is a pencil here. Pencil and eraser. That you need to match with. The pencil is matched with an eraser. Pencil and eraser. Pencil and eraser. Okay. Table and chair. This is a table. This is a table, and below this you have a chair. This is chair. Table and chair. Table and chair. Table and chair. Cup and saucer. COP, cup and saucer. These two things come together. Television and remote. Television and remote. This is a television. Remote is on the upside. This is television and this is remote. Television and remote. Okay. The bat and the ball. These two things come together. These two things come together. So this is an activity. The pencil and eraser comes to always together. Pencil and eraser always together. And table and chair, they are always together. Cup and saucer, they are always together. TV and remote, they are always together. Bat and ball, they are always together. So up to this activity, I want to wind up here, right? So things together and one word answer and filling the colors. These three activity we have solved, we have done, we have learnt in this session. In this session, the things together and the one word answer, the color of the dress, the color of the flower, like that. Next is we got familiar with filling of colors and names of the colors, and second is one word answer, and third activity is things comes together. So here this activity provides you the skills of observation, identification, association, comparison, vocabulary building, and listening and speaking skills, and getting familiar with different types of colors. Different types of colors, and understanding the vocabulary, like questions and answer. Questions and answer. Say yes or no, like that, and identifying the colors and filling the colors. That activity will increases your strength in your fingers. That's called motoring skills. Okay, right? So these are the activities we have learned today. So you make it in 3 parts. One day you get familiar with all the colors and filling the colors, and second day you try to focus on the answer, yes or no, like yes or no, like that is second concept. And third concept you have to hear is things come together. You have to do all this activity one day. Things together one day, and one day you do the one word answer, and one day you do the color filling and knowing the different colors. Color filling one concept, and second is one word answer, third is things comes together. Things comes together. So this is up to page number 108. Today I have covered and explained you the page number from 100 to 108. 100 to 108. So hope you understood these concepts. So I recommend you to watch the video and listen to it carefully once or twice or thrice. Okay, then take your workbook, then try to solve with the help of your elders. Alright, clear? Followed? So without listening and watching to the video, just taking your workbook and trying to sitting for solving, that doesn't give you better understanding. Here my explanation makes you to understand the concept better. Then take then first you watch and listen to the video, then take your workbook, then sit for working with the workbook, so that you can understand the concept very clearly. Right? Hope you understood these concepts. If at all you find any difficulties in understanding, give me a call between 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Right? Till then, take care.